are doing a tremendous job. These are examples of single-digit addition. But what if we need to add bigger numbers? Let's say there's this kid named Travis. Hi, Travis. Travis collects these. What are these called? Marbles. Travis collects marbles. Travis had a lot of marbles. He had 54 marbles. But today's his birthday, and someone just gave him 21 more marbles. Wow! And now he wants to know, how many marbles do I have? I had 54, and now I have 21 more that are in my collection. How many marbles do I have? That's the question that Travis has. What's 54? Figure out exactly how many you have now. But that would take a long time. Look at all of these marbles. There has to be a better way. In fact, there is. There's a way that is super fast and super fun. We can add 54 and 21 together by doing a fun trick. We'll turn these big numbers that are difficult to add on their own into smaller numbers. What you will do is you will add the numbers to the right here, which are the ones. To make it easier, we're going to block the 10 spot for right now with this nifty blue rectangle. Suddenly, this huge big addition problem has turned into a simple, fun addition game. So we add the right spot, the one spot together. What is 4 plus 1? Yes, 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we will write 5 under the 4 and then 1. Awesome job. We're halfway done already. Next, we will add the 10s together. The 10 spot is to the left. The two numbers in the 10 spot are the 5 and 2. To make it easier, we're going to block the 1 spot with another blue rectangle because we already added the 1 spot up. What is 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 equals 7. So we will write 7 under the 5 and the 2. So what is our answer? What is 54 plus 21? You can see it right here. 75. 54 plus 21 equals 75. The answer to an addition problem.
Parenting with purpose. Developing your child's personality and mind.